Okay, so remember that video that I took of a few air conditioners outside my office building where I go see therapy? Those are all those air conditioners that I filmed before. But the next building over here, I found 2 Carrier split air conditioner units. And this one actually just shut off. Oh, let's turn it back on again. I guess it's like 2-speed or something, but the fan slowed down for a little bit. And here you can hear the compressor. And it has this thing where the air comes out the sides right here instead of right here. So, there's that one. Then this one, right here, this one is, the fan is not very strong, but there's the motor. And then this one is noisy. I mean, you can hear that compressor. This one is loud. This one is super loud. Then over here, there's even more. So let's go over to those. This is air conditioner heaven, people. Look at this. And there's a guy in that window, so I have to be quick. But look at this. Let's start from over here. Here is a Carrier. And compressor. There it is in there. It is. Then right here we got a Mitsubishi Electric Mr. Slim split AC. Then here's another Carrier with compressor blanket. And then right here, this is a Carrier. So is this. That one doesn't have a nameplate, but I know it is because you can kind of see it right there. But this one has another compressor blanket. And, yeah. And then, here's another Mitsubishi Electric Mr. Slim that's on. And then this Carrier is actually on. Yep, this one's running. Look at all those over there too, plus that one. I hit the jackpot, folks. I hit the jackpot. This one's running. And this is an air conditioner. This isn't a heat pump. This is just air conditioner. This is running. But it's a Carrier. Then over here we got a bunch more. And I believe these are all Carriers by just looking at them, but here's the compressor for this one. And this is a Carrier too. And this Carrier, yeah, this is a Carrier too. And there's the compressor. Down in there. This is the air conditioner. And then I already looked in here. Here's this one. Just air conditioner. And it is a Carrier too. So is that one. These are all Carrier. Just so you know, these are all Carriers. And here's this one. It's got a Copeland scroll compressor. And then last but not least, actually there's one more, but here is this one. And there's the compressor right down there. You can see it nice and clear. And we've looked at all these now. This is a bunch of air conditioners. And then finally, right here, got another Carrier. Right here. And there's the compressor. And it's an LG compressor. Just the model number. Yeah, and I don't know why that one's running. It's 50 degrees right now in my location. compressor sound. I don't see any reversing valve in there, so that is not a heat pump. But this one, I believe, is a heat pump. It's running this Mitsubishi right here. So we got a whole bunch of Carrier air conditioning. Okay, so yeah, and then 2 Mitsubishi Electric right there. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. That was a jackpot on air conditioners today at a building next to my therapy building. Have a nice day.